Hi everyone, this is Beena, Assistant Professor from MBA SNS College of Technology. Today, in this video, we are going to look into the last theory which implies the compensation and reward system. The final theory is the equity theory. Let us go deep into the factors that is deciding the equity theory. Equity theory proposes that people strive for impartiality in their relationships. They want to believe that other people are giving them what they deserve. People may become unhappy and even take action to make things right if they believe they are not being treated fairly. To improve worker productivity, workplace effectiveness, and professional career development, motivation may be crucial. According to the theory of motivation, workers are more likely to be motivated and satisfied with their jobs when they believe they are being paid fairly. Understanding this theory and putting its principles into practice will help you stay inspired and productive. In this article, you will learn about equity theory in detail. What is the meaning and definition of the equity theory? According to the equity theory of motivation, an individual's motivation is directly impacted by the compensation they receive for their labor. When it comes to the job, it means that a person will typically try to strike a balance between what they offer, the company, and what they receive in return. When it comes to enriching motivation and providing value to the contributors, it makes sense to understand theory in the work context. If you want your team to work as a productive unit, your team may always be recharged in their spirits if you properly remunerate them for tasks that they have completed. Perhaps this would contribute to improvement in communication, group work, and the spirit of work. What are the elements of this theory? Yes, the first one is input. The next one comes the outcomes, the moderating factors, and the reference groups. Now, how does this equity theory work? The foundation of this theory is the notion that individuals work hard to keep relationship balanced. They want to believe that the people they engage with are treating them fairly. People will compare what they give to relationship and what they get in return, according to the equity theory. They will act to balance these scales if they believe they are not receiving what is fair. Numerous behavior such as job satisfaction, employee motivation, and organizational citizenship behavior can be explained by this theory. Workers who believe they are not receiving fair treatment may grow resentful and lose motivation. Additionally, they might be less inclined to go above and beyond the call of duty. Organizations can increase employee motivation and satisfaction by applying this theory to comprehend and resolve employee concerns. Now, what are the benefits of this equity theory? Decrease the possibility of exploitation. Next one, it encourages and empowers the workers. Strengthen the connection between the employees. Motivate all the employees. Supports organizational justice. And the final one, it will enhance the performance. What are the disadvantages of this equity theory? Whereas every theory has both the positive and the negative, that is the advantages and disadvantages. So now in this slide, we are going to see about the disadvantages of equity theory. Disregard variation in perception, fails to foresee the behavior of the employees, distorts the comparisons, restricted scope in non work relationships, limited attention to individual needs, subjectivity in assessing outputs and inputs. What are the tips to implement equity theory in an organization? Ensure that team members are fairly balanced. Provide a competitive salary. Ensure that the compensation you offer is commensurate. Know your employees' term for success. sustain a balanced allocation of authority among team members, recognize the values of your team, continue to reinforce the compliments that you receive. Hope this video gave you a clear explanation on what is equity theory, what are the positive and the negative advantages and disadvantages of implementing the equity theory, and how to implement an effective equity theory in an organization. Hope all this video gave you an a concept towards what is compensation and reward management. Meet you all in the next video. Thank you.